Hello there. I finally styled my Kaoru wig. It is above my right eye, I promise. Now, I seem to accomplish house. It's very strange. I must have come to see Harry. Well, I've got to attempt to make food, so shall we go find what's in this house? I don't know why I'm on mute. Let the light. This is you. So there's two. Ta-da! Cupboard. I can open it. Pasta is about all that I have is in the house. That's it. That's marinade. Whatever marinade is. Right. Place milk and water into a sauce. Are they joking? I actually have to cook? No, just right. I've got to eat, so milk. There's a saucepan, saucepans. What's the sauce? Which one's? Oh, okay, sauce. What do you think? No. Oh, ow. Sorry. Saucepan. We're doing well. I have a saucepan. I've got nowhere to put the camera. You can still see me. Where should I put it? There we go. That's fine. Leave it there. Water. Put it down. I don't see why I've got to do this. Look, I have servants. Whatever. So, wait, 280 plus 120. 400. There we go. Now I put this in a pan apparently. Put it on. I haven't been doing this right. You're on the fridge. Ow. Measuring thing. That's fine. So yes. Bring to the boil. I can do that. I mean, it's heating stuff. So, how do I know if it's boiled? No. And I put this stuff in. I'll put it in now. It's fine. It's pasta, apparently. Oh, lovely. It's just cold water. Milk. I haven't seen Kaoru. I mean, shouldn't he be here? I bet he's that stupid Harry again. It's not that I'm his twin. Yes, do you want to have a look at what this mess looks like? It looks like that. Oh, okay. Maybe steam shouldn't be coming off it. How long do I have to cook this for? 8 to 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to go now and I will show you what the finished result looks like. So I'll see you in about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so 8 to 10 minutes later, I'm going to put this stuff in a bowl. See? A bowl. Just checking, I'm never there. I'm there myself. Okay. Let's go dispose of this over here. And you two, the finished product. What do you like this? Here is proof that Kaoru can cook. Kind of. Bye, you two.